Hi, I'm Daelyn from Stratford, Ontario, and I am reviewing the Nespresso Inissia Coffee Machine, which I've put to the test. It is very easy to use. There are two sizes here, one for an espresso cup and one for a larger coffee cup. I prefer the larger coffee cup. You turn it on by here, and these are your two size options, which you can adjust to your own cup. You can set your water level. We have a steady light, so it's ready to use. You put in your Nespresso pod, and you hit start. I have set this water level for our coffee cups here. You can set it to your own. It's very easy. It will automatically turn off after 9 minutes, which is also a setting that you can set. And there we go, a fresh cup of espresso. It also stores your leftover pods. As soon as you open this, it releases it. And you can fit up to 10 in here. And that is my review. I would definitely recommend the Nespresso coffee machine to my family and friends.